sounds like. Quiet hallway, clock stuck at 3. Every frame face staring through me. This is what creepy stories sounds like. Door slightly open, but nobody home. Just that slow breathing that isn't my own. This is what creepy story sounds like.
This is what creepy sounds like. Floorboards talking in the dark. Shadows learning all my footsteps, calling out my name so soft. This is what creepy sounds like. When the silence starts to crawl, every little noise a warning, something watching down the hall. This is what creepy story sounds like.
Curtain moves once, windows don't shake. Teacup on the counter rattles like a wave. This is what creepy story sounds like. Phone screen glowing all by itself. My name in a message typed by someone else. This is what creepy story sounds like.
This is what creepy sounds like. Floorboards talking in the dark. Shadows learning all my footsteps, calling out my name so soft. This is what creepy sounds like. When the silence starts to crawl, every little noise a warning, something watching down the hall. This is what creepy story sounds like.
I hold my breath, house holds mine. We trade secrets across that line. This is what creepy story sounds like.
This is what creepy sounds like.